Well played, Shashank. Well played. Good going, boys. Good going. Stay there.
Marchu.
Well left, boy. Well left. Very good leave. Nice going, Kaushik. Vainkonga, adala vainkonga. 3 runs, score 3.
Ball ade pettu. Exila aitidi.
Clippers and Utah. And Bucks and
Shot, man. Very good shot. 2.
That ball ade cheyalev.
Kaushik.
Very good shot. Hey, 2 adu.
Can we
Score 5.
Oh really? Nets and Bucks?
Bro, very good shot. Stay there. Avladhaan. Run vandikitte irukum.
Sorry, the Bucks. You think so?
Oh, today's Clippers match, right?
Yeah.
It's going on.
Baiki adavarni kodaru.
Score 5. Good going, Kaushik. Good going. Hey, played. Kaushik, well played.
Last track of today's game, man. I got so irritated.
Well played, Kaushik. Well played.
I didn't watch. I was watching. I watched the entire game. More as Djokovic, man. Yeah.
Wide. Leave those.
Bat வாங்கிச்சா என்ன பேட்? பேட் வாங்கல. பேட் வாங்கல bro. That's the. Oh, okay. Cool. Sorry. Shot, bro. Very good shot. Super, Kaushik. Nice batting. Score 6.
Ready Sandeep.
Okay. Count பண்ணல 6 தான். Shot. Well played. Look for two, boys. Good call, Shashank. Good call.
Adi fast ஓடுறீங்களா?
7 runs.
ரெண்டாவது ஓடுறீங்களா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஓடிருக்கலாம்.
இல்ல cool. Please போடு. வெயில் வேற இருக்கு. Please போடு. வெயில். Practice game. 7.
Rockly Kaushik.
Out. All ball. Good batting, Kaushik.
Out.
விடுங்க நல்லா பேட்டிங் பண்ணீங்க. ஸ்கோர் எவ்வளோ? 7.
இதான்டா
7.
Sarna.
சூப்பரா.
Ready Sandeep.
ரொம்ப இல்ல.
அதான் டைரக்ட் கண்ணு அடி.
Well played. Good shot.
Well filled. Vinilla.
Well played. Shashank, stay there, boy.
Ready manage inko catch వస్తుంది.
Well played. Very good shot.
Ball, boy.
Good going, Shashank. Fourth over தானே இது?
Ready Ashok.
ஏண்டா fourth over தானே? Well played, man. Very good shot. Watch. Look for two. Nice one. Score 8. Good going, guys. Good going. Well played, Niranjan. Well played. Good shot.
Batting Niranjan.
Good shot. Good shot. Oh, well played, boy. Well played. Very good shot. Madranda. चलो उठा हो मटा है नहीं
Oh, Gagan.
Catch it.
Well played. Good running. Score 9.
Yeah, Punjab.
Play long, boys. Play long. Good batting. 4 overs है ना पर Score 9. अंटांडा मची सनस्क्रीन मरंदुटोंडा Oh, well played.
Great batting Niranjan.
అదే పెట్టు
బ్యాట్ ఆడి పర్వాలేదు
Nice shot, man. Nice shot.
టూ లేదు
Good running, boys. Good running.
Running boys.
Nice batting, guys. Nice batting.
Niranjan.
Score 11.
No ball. Niranjan, free hit.
Sorry. Free hit. Score 12.
One run.
Venu.
Shot, man. Very good shot. Keep running, guys. Keep running. Didn't clear.
ఇస్రీ బాలేదు కదా అవుట్ సైడ్ కట్
Loud call. Come on, guys. Loud call. Louder call. Come on.
He never drops catch.
Score 13. Louder call, please.
Free hit.
Free.
Start wide.
వన్ రన్
Shot, man. Very good shot. 6, huh? 4.
గ్రేట్ షాట్ బాయ్ గ్రేట్
Nice one. Nice going, Shashank. Nice going, boy. Score 17.
Scoring 2 here is
Bro, 4 or 2?
4
4, right? Cool.
Hey, that no ball was 3 runs.
17 score.
no. He has game at 3 o'clock.
Nicely played. Keep milking run, guys. Nice.
ఆఫ్ సైడ్ పెట్టు లెగ్ వస్తుంది
Score 18.
మొహమ్మద్ ఇక్కడ రా
Oh, it's okay. Good shot. Yeah. Good idea. shot, man. Very good.
Excellent batting, Niranjan.
Nice batting, man. Nice batting. Score. No ball, 20. Score 20. Got it, got it. Score 20. Free it, free it. You can change the field. All score on this, bro. Fifth over. score 20.
మనోజ్ ఫ్రీట్ అరే ఇద్దరికంటే వెళ్ళకూడదు కదా బయటికి లోపల రా లోపల
Shot, man. What a shot. Run, run, run. Keep on running, guys.
2
Liya.
Six, right?
Sorry.
2
Well, 2 runs.
Excellent shot,
Very good
Shashank.
shot.
great shot we got the runs guys
5 over, score 22. Nice going, guys. Nice going.
ఓవరా కిరణ్ బౌలింగ్
5-22.
బౌలింగ్ ఓవర్ అయిపోయింది
Nice going, nice going. Niranjan, stay there, stay there.
20 overs. He wants to hit and he doesn't. For 4 years. But until
Okay, well played, well played.
extra Joseph White.
Well played, Niranjan.
స్టార్ట్ కిరణ్
Well left, well left, well left. Nice one, 23. Hello, bro. Bro, professional game ಇದೆ.
great bowling boy take those chances this is your day Niranjan
Score 23. It's okay, bhai. It's okay. Score 23. Score 23. Well played, man. What a shot. What a shot. 24.
But I don't feel because
bowling Kiran
this thing is not good.
bowling Kiran
Stay there, boy. Stay there. Well played. Well played. Good call, boys. Good call. Good call. Good call, Niranjan.
nice one Kiran
Icebreakers mostly happen. Yeah, that's well.
Well played, man. Very good batting. Very good batting.
Shashank.
Saran
You watch him again.
Side இருந்து பார்க்கணும்.
Excellent batting,
Bowling,
Shashank.
well played.
ra Saran
Kai, adha.
Bowling Kiran.
It's a very, very tough.
24. 6 overs 24.
No, every day he'll bowl something.
Stay there, boys. Stay there. 6 overs 24. Very good going. 4 per over.
Bro.
Huh?
Parent?
6 overs done. 6 overs 24.
Your name? Teluga? ముందుకురా இங்க வா
பிரச்சனையா இருக்கு உனக்கு.
டேய் உன்னை தாக்கு தெரியும் அத முடி ஃபர்ஸ்ட்
இங்க இருக்கு.
Come on boy, come back over.
Well played, man. Well played.
Shoot.
Call guys, call.
Very good, very good, very good. Be loud, guys. Be loud.
Be loud. Water. Sharan, water. Get rid also.
நீ போடா நான் ஸ்கோர் சின்ன புடி
ஸ்கோர் பண்றீங்களா? என்கிட்ட கொடுக்க வேண்டியதானே? Played.
Beautiful shot.
Score 25. Good going, guys. Good going. Yeah, bowler மாத்தலையா? Unsure னு போட்டு வச்சிருக்கீங்க. Unsure.
அது ஒரு
At least bowler மாத்தவா செய்வீங்களா?
அது மாறிக்கும்டா அஞ்சு 1 2
ஆமாண்டா 1 and 2 மட்டும் தான் வச்சிருக்கீங்க. இது third one change bowler.
அது மாத்தும்போது யாரப்பா நம்ம டீம்
ஓகே. அவங்க பாவம் ஸ்டார்ட் பார்க்கணும்னா என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க?
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 6 ஓவர்ல எப்படி போட்டாங்கன்னு தெரியாது.
Nice one boy.
Good batting session.
இவன் சேஞ்ச்
Well played, well played.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அவன் தான் போட்டுருக்கான் இல்லையா?
இல்லடா சேஞ்ச். 5 ரூவும் இன்னொருத்தர் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணு. இந்த ஒரு இன்னொருத்தர்.
கிரியேட் பண்ணனும் ஒண்ணும் இல்ல. அந்த பவுலிங் கீழ ரெண்டு லைன் இருக்கா?
ஷாட் மேன். ஐயோ. இல்லப்பா.
Watch out for the fielder, Shashank. You didn't see the fielder at all.
இது பண்ணோம்டா நம்ம. ஒரு 45 ஒரு ஃபீல்டர் நிக்குறான் பாத்தியா?
Watch out for the field.
ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா இங்க த்ரோ அடிக்கிறதுக்கு டபுளா த்ரோ அடிச்சா பெட்டர். டபுள்ஸ்லாம் கட் பண்ணு.
Yeah.
Well played, man. What a batting. ஒரு பால் பாக்கி இருக்கு. ஒரே நிமிஷம் ப்ரோ, ஒரே நிமிஷம். 26
నాలంటే తీసేస్తారు ఈ బాల్ అంటే నువ్వు ఇక్కడ కాయలేవా ఇక్కడ అంటే నీకు అది గ్యాప్ ఉంటుంది కదా అమౌంట్ రా కిరణ్ అది కష్టం రా అక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలి కదా పరిగెట్టాలిగా
ப்ளூ கலரா?
என்னடா ப்ளூ கலர்? உனக்கு வந்துச்சா ஜெர்சி? உன் பேர் பார்க்கல. உன் பேர் இருந்ததுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். தெரியல. நீங்க அந்த கூகுள் ஃபார்ம் ஃபில் பண்ணியா இல்லையா?
ಆಹಾ ಲವ್ಲಿ ಬಾಲ್
Well played, Shashank.
ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಆಕ್ಷನ್
ಕಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
రెడీ మొహమ్మద్ క్యాచ్ వస్తుంది
Well played. Well played. Nice batting.
కిరణ్ పడి బయటికి వెళ్ళే బాల్ అయ్యి
Covered the stuff.
Well played.
Nice one, boy.
ஷர்ட் உண்டு காணும்டா நான் பார்த்தோம் அந்த அந்த சைடுல வச்சிருந்தேன் எல்லாம் செக் பண்ணிட்டியா
Lovely ball.
அந்த 222 333 உன் பேர் பார்க்கவே இல்லை நான் ஷரத் வந்து இல்லடா பாருங்க ஒரு வாட்டி ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்பரா செக் பண்ண இந்த இந்த ஷர்ட் செக் பண்ணியா இந்த இது
Final division, no argument.
Good one, boy.
Nice try, boy.
கட்டர் போடுறா சார் டேய் இவரோட ஆக்ஷன்
బయటికి ఎడ్జ్ రావాలి
சிமிலர் ரிஸ்ட் யூஸ் பண்ணி பாரு அவர் ரிஸ்ட் பாரு
Shot, boy. What a shot.
வெரி குட் ஷாட் டூல நேரா
என்னடா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க?
கரெக்ட் தான் ஒரு பால் இருக்கு ஒன் பால் லெஃப்ட் மேன் டேய் ஆதி ஒரு பால் பாக்கி இருக்குடா
Get right இருக்கு ஓகேவா?
over
wants to practice
bro ఇక్కడ రా
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನುಗ್ಗಿಸ್ತಾರೆ.
use this over boys use this over use this over
Cap இல்லாம தண்ணி ட்ரெயின் ஆயிருக்கு.
நானும் கேப்
இல்லாட்டி umbrella அது தலைக்கு போடுறான்.
ఆ గ్యాప్ కవర్ చేసుకో
When I was going to LKG, I used to wear that.
டேய் இவர் நல்லா போடுவார்
bro you spartans alliya ashok raptor sir
இவரை நம்ம பிராக்டிஸ் கேம் ஆடணும் ஞாபகம் இருக்கா
நீ எல்லா கேமும் ஆடினது பரவாரு
நல்லா போடுவார்
ஓகே அடிக்கலாம் நல்லா இது மாதிரி போடு
அங்கேயே அதே பால் போட்டுட்டு இருப்பாரு இந்த பிராக்டிஸ் கேம்ல பார்த்தேன் ஷாட் மேன்
Excellent batting, Niranjan.
இட்ஸ் ஓகே குட் ஷாட் நிரஞ்சன் எப்படியா நிரஞ்சன் 5 பால் தான் ஆடி இருக்காரு எப்படியா ஸ்பாக் கவுண்ட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க
மூடிடா மனசுல நீ மிஸ் பண்ண கூடாதுன்னா
நாட்டி பாய் ஒரு ரன் தான் போட்டிருக்கீங்க அவரை அடிச்சது நானே பார்த்துட்டேன் ஆல்ரெடி
சரிடா ஆடுறா ஸ்கோர் டோட்டல் ஸ்கோர் மட்டும் கரெக்டா இருக்குதா
டோட்டல் ஸ்கோர் தான் முக்கியம்.
29
Excellent batting, Niranjan.
கிரேட் ஷாட்
hey live coverage going on
All games. Stump வச்சு grease போட்டாலே கேமரா வரும்.
live ஆல சும்மா ரெக்கார்ட் பண்றீங்க
Record.
You want to analyze your batting, bowling?
well played
Nice batting, Maga.
well negotiated
Excellent batting.
உடனே லேட் கட்னா உடனே வந்துருவியே என்னடா சரத்து
அது எங்க ப்ரோ லேட் கட் இது பண்ணாரு ப்ரோ
According through the link only they have made.
ஷாட் மேன்
Shot, boy.
one run
What a shot. 1-1-1. யோ நானே சைலண்டா அப்படியே இந்த சண்டே ரெஸ்ட் எடுக்கலாம்னா என் பேர் உள்ள சொல்லி விட்டீங்க.
நாங்க தான் போறோம்ல, நீயே வரணும்ல. அப்போ என்ன பண்ண போற வீட்ல? எப்படி இருந்தாலும் டிசிஎல் ஆட்டு எல்லாம் ஒண்ணா தான் போறோம். ஒண்ணா தான் போறோம் எப்படி இருந்தாலும்.
அதான் இவன் வருவான், இவன் கூட வீட்டுக்கு போயிருவோம்ல.
அதே சேம்
உன் இஷ்டம் தான். பர்த்டேன்னு சொல்லி
பர்த்டே அன்னைக்கு ஒரு ஹேட்ரிக் எடுத்துட்டு வராங்க.
பர்த்டே நாளைக்கு.
சும்மாலாம் இல்ல, நம்ம கிட்ட அந்த T25 கேம்ல 216 அடிச்சாங்க.
எப்படியா
216 UTCC யூனிவர்சிட்டி ஆஃப் டொரண்டோ.
ஒரு
ஆனா அது ஒரு மொக்க டீம் நம்ம எடுத்துன்னு போனோம்.
கட்டிலாம் இல்ல ப்ரோ.
ஏய் நரேந்திரலாம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பாலே கேட்ச் விட்டான்டா. அந்த பையன் 48 ஏதோ அடிச்சான்டா.
அந்த பையன் விடுங்க, அதுக்கப்புறமும் பேட்டிங் வச்சிருந்தாங்க அவங்க. அந்த
அப்புறம்லாம் பேட்டிங்லாம் இல்ல, அவன்லாம் அடிக்கல ஒண்ணும். அவன்லாம் அவுட் ஆயிட்டான்.
ப்ரோ 6 அடிச்சான் ப்ரோ அவன்.
ஓ அவனா?
பேட்டிங் இல்லன்னு சொல்றீங்க.
ஃபாஸ்ட் பால் போட்டா ஈஸியா அடிச்சிடுவான்.
ஆதியா 6 அடிச்சான்டா அவன், 2 6.
ஏய் இல்லடா, அந்த கிரவுண்ட் லெக் சைடுல செம சின்னது, ரொம்ப சின்னது. இங்க ரொம்ப சின்னது.
ஷாட் பா.
ஏய் கோ மேன் கோ.
Very good, very good, very good.
Excellent batting, Shashank.
Great going guys, great going. 13 overs 32. இவர் பேர் என்ன?
ஹர்ஷா.
இவர் தான் அந்த பேட்ஸ்மேன்.
Nice batting, Niranjan.
Good going Niranjan. Stay there boys. Shot man, very good shot. Keep milking run boys.
உடனே ஒரு மக்கா பிளேயர் எப்படி ஒரே வெக்காபுலரி தான். அங்க பார்த்தா வெல் நெகோஷியேட், இங்க பார்த்தா கீப் மில்கிங் ரன்.
டெவலப்பா
Okay bro.
ப்ரோ இவன் இப்படி தான் ப்ரோ இந்த சீப்னு சொல்ல மாட்டாராமா, பாஸ்டர்னு தான் சொல்லுவாராமா.
No ball. அப்போ ஒரு விட்டா
ஏய் ரன் மேன், ரன் ஃபாஸ்ட், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரன் ஃபாஸ்ட் பாய்ஸ், கம் ஆன்.
no ball
ஏ பட்டா
no ball bro
பட்டா full toss anything about me I will give no ball.
No ball.
freed Niranjan
Shashank on strike.
yeah freed
Freed
Good shot Shashank. Good shot man. Hey, keep running guys, keep running. Yeah, what about that?
6.
Kiran 4
Okay.
Don't watch ball guys.
Nice shot maga.
good shot Niranjan
Good shot. Fourth na vandhu
Yeah, he's pretty much stiff.
catch எல்லாம் விடுறாங்களே, பரவாயில்லையே.
excellent batting Niranjan
Kiran win.
Very good batting guys. 8 runs already in this over. Inga bro. Pressure ஆகுதுல.
8 runs in the over.
Shot man, very good shot.
Lovely shot.
2
Yeah.
போயிடுச்சுடா.
4 என்னப்பா
41.
first over 41 வந்திருக்கா
இல்ல நடுவுலலாம் கிரண் 5 ஓவர் ரன்.
Bat maga.
ஸ்லாப்லாம் பண்ணாரு.
ரெடியா இருங்க 10 ஓவர் ஆடணும் அரவிந்த் 10 ஓவர் ஆடணும்
என்ன தவறு?
வந்தாச்சப்பா.
அந்த SS பேட் வாசிட்டீங்க, அதுக்கப்புறம் எந்த பேட் நல்லா இருக்கும்?
அடிச்சா போடணும்னா
Oh, well played, well played.
Well played, Niranjan. Great going, boys.
சரியா போடுறாரு இது. Dot ball.
அது கூட
Excellent batting, Niranjan.
We are better. நம்ம டீம் பேட்டிங் நினைக்கிறேன்.
அவங்க டீம்
But ஆனா நம்ம game
ஆடாதீங்க ப்ரோ.
ஆடும்போது
இருக்காது அந்த பேட்.
excellent batting.
யுவர் ஷாட் வாஸ் தேர்.
சரத் ஷர்ட் நான் பார்த்த மாதிரி இருக்கு ஆனா எங்க வச்சேன்னு தெரியல. இது யாருது? இது ஏன் ஷர்ட்? ஆதிக்கிட்ட ஒரு வாட்டி கேளுடா.
Yeah, sure. Go. There, other side. Bada maga re yaar. Normal ada.
டேய் வைட்ரா என்னப்பா?
Batting good.
Oh, good ball. It's okay. It was good ball. Tension ஏத்திட்டாரு பாய் ஒரு ஓவர்.
41.
41 11. ப்ரோ 25 ஆடலாம் போல.
நம்ம பேட்டிங் ஆடும்போது என்ன தெரியாது.
ஒரு டைம் என்ன
7 தான் இருக்கு. 9:30 வரைக்கும் இருக்கும்.
9:30 ரொம்ப
Catch it.
Run.
Nice try.
ரன்
ஏன் பால் வாட்சிங்ல இருக்காங்க?
కొంచెం ఫేస్ పట్ట.
Yeah, sure.
Shot man.
shot. Two.
Release the ball.
Don't worry about winning or losing. Just get the practice.
மொத்தா வர்த்தன அடிக்கும்.
Shot man.
boy.
6 ah?
4-4.
4. Very
Excellent
good shot
batting,
man. Very good shot.
Shot kana.
Stay there boy. No, Shashank எடுக்காதீங்க.
ஏய் ஆட்டம்.
Shashank ஆடட்டும். கொஞ்சம் அவுட் ஆஃப் ஃபார்ம் மாதிரி இருக்காங்க. நல்லா ஆடுறாரு.
Ground.
Hey, that's what it is. Like, resisted the first ball. All games should have been in our
Shot man.
What a shot, Shashank.
போயிருச்சு. Very good shot. Sixer
What a
right?
shot,
Sixer.
Shashank.
Fielder. Very good shot man. Very good shot.
Excellent shot, Shashank.
Nice batting Shashank. Nice batting boy.
Adko.
Shot.
ಇನ್ನು ಮಿಡಲ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Middle agila.
Similar shot bro. Got out.
Nice scenarios.
Shot man.
What a shot, Shashank. Sixer.
Nice batting boy. 18 runs off this over. Beautiful batting.
That's okay. Arsha, fight పెట్టు. Wicket వస్తుంది. Come back ball.
They are stronger than our legends score.
Shot. Oh, yeah.
What a feeling, macha. What a feeling, boy.
Great batting. Great batting Shashank. Good going boy.
He lost it.
Bro 59 12 overs.
Yeah, Arvind.
59.
Good batting.
Good batting. Ah.
First ball, Niranjan gave one single. And after that, 18 runs.
No, it's just
Total 9.
it's not getting.
It's okay, but adkala.
You are middling everything.
Yeah, bro, including that 18. 1466 da, avladhan da.
Stage is ready. Positive. In general, ella late agutade.
It's okay.
ரெண்டுமே 6 ரைட்
Last season, 2019. Oh, excellent batting, Aravind.
First one, the Edmure adjust. You are 3
சரியா போடுறாங்க. ஒரு கலகா bro. எல்லாமே ஈஸி தான். யாரிಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗೋ.
No man's area, go.
చాలా లేట్ కెళ్ళావు.
పేషెంట్ చండిగర్దిಲ್ಲ
చాలా లేట్ గా కలుపుతున్నావు. నువ్వు బ్యాట్స్మెన్ చూస్తున్నావు, బౌలర్ చూస్తున్నావు. ఈజీ క్యాచ్. లంగో.
Nice batting, Aravind.
Well played.
Well negotiated.
Well milked.
milk the dot ball.
వినోద్.
Short boy.
అది కొంచెం ముందుకు పడాలిరా.
2.
No. That game, they didn't have playing.
Well played.
రా సందీప్.
என்னடா சொன்ன? 1362. Good going, boys.
ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
6 minutes video ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 6
மேல வந்தா 42 balls.
already
இவர் அடிக்கலாம். இவர் தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் போட்டு.
Yeah.
same one they gave. This is last year.
Batting teams win probability is 19%. அசிங்கப்படுத்துறாங்க.
బ్రో అఖిల్ పాయింట్ కిలా నో కవర్ గ్యాప్ కవర్ చేయి.
அடிச்சா 19 வருது.
అమన్ సందీప్ స్టార్ట్ వికెట్ బాయ్.
I don't know.
రెడీ సరన్.
Shot bro, very good shot. Bro,
Easy to.
ஆடிட்டே இருங்க அப்படியே.
ఈజీ
Excellent batting, Aravind.
Great batting boy. Keep milking double boys. Keep milking doubles.
You can get this like a leather ball inners.
No, I have
Lay
a
lock,
very tight.
I have it. That kind of like a kangaroo pouch.
గుడ్లను పిచ్చే బౌన్స్ అవుతుంది అక్కడ.
Yeah, jock.
So it's a set.
Shot man.
6.
Don't run it 6. Nice boy. 6.
సిక్సా అవుట్
Out. 6, bro. No, bro. He took it.
Raising both hands.
అవుటా. ఇట్ ఇస్ టూ లాంగ్. It's far. Nice catch, Manoj.
Someone else. Parval hard luck, but field.
అదే పెట్టు వికెట్లు వస్తాయి. గుడ్లను పెడితే బౌన్స్ అవుతుంది బాల్.
கௌஷிக் உங்களுக்கு அது எப்படி இருந்தது? நீங்க முன்னாடி இருந்து போட்டுனாரு.
Clearly behind the ball. He's like clearly behind the ball. He's standing in the line. Out na.
Arre, what a ball, boy!
பட் இருந்தாலும் ஃபீல்டர்
அவர் பாட்டில் வச்சிருக்கிறது 6 னா அது 2 ஸ்டெப் பின்னாடி
பாட்டில் பின்னாடி தான்
2 ஸ்டெப் பின்னாடி இருக்காரு
బయటికి ఎడ్జ్ వస్తుంది నాకు.
அதுக்கு மேல கண்டிப்பா போவாரு bro.
ఆహా.
గుడ్ బ్యాటింగ్ స్టేజెస్.
Nice one, boy. Yep. పైకి.
Take the wide ball, take the extra. Way too wide.
బాగా పడింది అది, ఆఫ్ మిడిల్ లో పెట్టు. యార్కర్ అది. లవ్లీ బాల్ బాయ్. ఆ బాల్ అది. కీపర్.
ஏய் ரெண்டு பேரும் அடிச்சு போனது போல.
என்னன்னா ஒரிஜினல் கேம்ல கூட பண்ணுவாங்க.
bro ஒரிஜினல் கேம்ல லெக் அம்பையர் கொடுக்கறதா bro. ஃபீல்டர் சொல்றல இல்ல.
ఓవరా?
ஆமா bro.
ஓவர்.
మొహమ్మద్.
கிளியரா பாட்டில் உள்ள வச்சிருக்காங்க.
ஆ அங்க போய் உட்கார்ந்து ஸ்கோர் பண்ணி அப்படியே லெக் அம்பையர் பண்ணுங்க. நான் லெக் அம்பையர். ஓவர் அப்படா.
ஓவரா. ஸ்கோர் என்னப்பா?
Because I thought he's catching behind the bottle, 2 steps behind the bottle. How will that?
మొహమ్మద్
ஐயோ அருண் ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்கு அருண்.
ఇది వద్దా?
இல்ல உங்களுக்கு பிடிக்காத
వద్దా?
கேம்ல போறாங்க அதுக்கு ட்ரை பண்ணலாம்.
கேம்ல போட தேவையில்ல.
ஷூரா?
நீங்க எடுத்துட்டு வாங்க. அப்ப எவனா பிரச்சனை பண்ணானா போதும்.
ரொம்ப கஷ்டம் இருக்கு.
No,
கை ஃப்ரீயாவே இல்ல.
బౌండరీకి వెళ్ళిపో.
it'll start sticking into your body.
இல்ல கை ஃப்ரீயா இல்ல.
கிளாஸ்
ஸ்ப்ரிங் வர மாட்டேங்குது. ரொம்ப இந்த இடம் பிடிக்குது.
I just took move on. I was coming.
No, it's okay.
రెడీ సరన్.
Just about to say make this you should run like an off.
ఏ తల కట్టుకోడా.
6 டேய். அவர்லாம் கொடுத்துறாரு சரண்லாம்.
పర్లే మొహమ్మద్.
నైస్ షాట్ కన్నా.
Don't wait too much for that. Practice. I will feel on
தண்ணி இன்னும் உள்ளே வச்சிருக்காரு. அது மட்டும் தண்ணி உள்ள வச்சிருக்காரு. அந்த 2 பாட்டில் உள்ள வச்சிருக்காங்க.
இல்ல ஆனா ஆர்கியூ பண்ண முடியாது.
క్యాచ్ ఇట్ సరన్.
Nice shot.
6. Excellent batting, Shashank.
சரியான பேட்டிங்.
awesome Shashank.
గుడ్ బై మగా. గుడ్ రిథమ్.
நானும் இருந்தேன்னா 2 பக்கமும் ரன் வந்து.
పర్లే పైకి పెట్టు. పైకే పెట్టు.
Nice batting,
Shashank.
అరే
Good running.
Fielding, Andrew.
Pressure on the field. Come on boys.
He was still in last 6.
కెప్టెన్షిప్
జతన్
వేరే కెప్టెన్.
This team here. Ice breaker சொல்லி அனுப்பு. ஏய் இல்ல டேய். குப்பாடி என்ன நோட் சொல்லிட்டு ஓடுனுங்கற டேய்.
நோன்னு சொல்லிட்டு எதுக்கு ஃப்ரெண்ட்?
டேய் நோட் சொல்லிட்டு ஏன்டா ஃப்ரண்ட்ல போறான்? ஓடுற போறான்.
சும்மா இது பண்றதுக்கு செக் பண்ணு.
Chill boy.
Other end batsman will get confused. Don't do that.
நல்ல சொல்லு. Yeah, good call. Good call.
వాడా బాల్ బాయ్
గుడ్ బ్యాటింగ్
బాల్ వెహికల్ పరిగెడుతున్నాడు సందీప్ అది కొడతారులే అది ఎందుకంటే ఆ మూడ్లో ఉన్నాడు పర్లే
That's the scorer.
సందీప్ ఉన్ని స్లాగ్ ఓవర్లు కదా ఇడు ఓపెనింగ్ వెళ్తున్నాడు కావాలంటే అవతలోడికి మార్చుకుందాం బౌలింగ్ రా నైస్ స్టాప్ బాయ్
గుడ్ వన్ గుడ్ కాల్ శ్రీజిత్
గుడ్ బ్యాటింగ్ శశాంక్ గుడ్ బ్యాటింగ్ బాయ్ శ్రీజిత్ రొటేట్ பண்ணி அவங்கிட்ட கூட்ட நல்ல ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்கான் பாரு keep rotating boys
అంజురు వాక్ విత్ ద బౌలర్ మొహమ్మద్ వాక్ విత్ ద బౌలర్ అంజురు వాక్ విత్ ద బౌలర్ రెడీ గైస్ అంజురు అని నీకు మహమ్మద్కి ఆడతాడు ఇడు
Bowling boy. Good ball, Sebastian boy.
గుడ్ బ్యాటింగ్ శ్రీజిత్
Batting boy.
రెడీ మహమ్మద్
నైస్ షాట్ bro. What is the over? Sharat, overs.
This is 60.
క్యాచ్ రా
One more. No.
Thinking Sandeep.
మహమ్మద్ నెక్స్ట్ ఓవర్ అయితే రెడీ వినీలు
Yeah. Wait. Take those whites.
400
Sharat score na? 82.
ఆ బల్లు మనాల వికెట్ ఎవరండి నైస్ స్టాప్ బాయ్ గ్రేట్ ఓవర్
Srijit. Parola. Nice one.
Srijit and Shashank. Srijit.
18 అప్ప 16 మనోజ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఓవర్
Acha. 18 hours na.
Nice batting,
Nice batting, bro.
15 up, 16 up.
ఎక్కడ వస్తారు అసలు నువ్వు 3 షార్ట్స్ ఆర్ రికార్డెడ్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్
13
Score ఎవరు శరత్?
ఎగరే వికెట్ ఎగరే బాల్ బాయ్ సందీప్
Ball boy. అక్కడ కనపడదాం నాకు
రెడీ హర్ష క్యాచ్ వస్తుంది
Shot, man. What a shot.
మనోజ్ కూడా 3-4
Great shot. Chetan, keep going, man. Keep going.
పర్లేదు మహమ్మద్ పర్లేదు
No ball. no.
Heads up, right. వదిలేసలే బయట ఉంది.
స్కోర్ ఎవరు శరత్?
కమాన్ బాయ్ మొహమ్మద్ ఇన్ దిస్ సైడ్.
Well played. Easy single man. Good one. Good running. 85.
New batsman boy.
It's okay, Arun. Good ball. That was a good ball.
అది పెట్టు, అన్ని అదే పెట్టు, స్ట్రగుల్ అవుతాడు. రెడీ సందీప్.
Play.
Shoot. Back up.
Good going, boys. Good going.
పర్లే మొహమ్మద్. నోటు వినిల్ మీరే.
Very good shot, Chetan. Very good shot. Good thinking, boy. Good thinking. Lovely shot, boy. Chetan.
రెడీ సందీప్, క్యాచ్ వస్తుంది.
There is one
కీపర్.
There are two seasons.
Good one. Next ball, Mato Arun. Good going.
That is more about like
గుడ్ ఓవర్ రా మొహమ్మద్.
Yeah, score solra. 17 appa.
అర్జా
17 was 89.
గోల్ ఆతలేదు.
89.
సందీప్ ఓ 2 గోల్ అట్టెళ్ళు. కిరణ్
so you can watch breeze up to where they capitalize him.
బ్రో బయటికి పిడికి
They have a lot.
బాడీ మీదకి ఎగురుతాడు కప్పలాగా.
They never made it.
It's okay, Arun. It's okay.
They're expecting it to batsman focus next ball or something. Like it's just a
రెడీ మొహమ్మద్.
you should watch Fairy Tale is fun.
Shot, Arun. What a shot. 91.
You should watch Breeze.
Yo Adi. ఇది లెగ్ ఇల్లంగా.
Bro, அவன் leg தப்பாதான் bro குடுக்குறான்.
Yeah, tempered boy.
Bro, Bleach, there is a character called Kenpachi. That guy is
Shot. Great call, Chetan. Great running, boy.
stupid, powerful,
పైకి పెట్టాలా, పైకి పెట్టు.
but he's very arrogant as well.
వెయిట్ కొట్టని.
Like, he's brilliant. He's kind of like a lower kind of character. Was initially
It's okay, Chetan. It's okay.
అంటే పైకి పెట్టు, వీళ్ళు కొట్టని. వెయిట్.
you can watch YouTube videos. This guy's fight, Kenpachi fight.
Shot. Keep playing that shot, man. Very good. Tuda.
Yeah, by the time you finish off one,
Great going, Chetan. Great going, boy.
there is one more very good bowling in like if you search it,
What happened?
how to skip fillers. So even one-piece fillers are also interesting.
కిరణ్
Make it
Adi, vada. Batting.
Kiran, Saran. Our turn.
So when Zoro gets lost, or else Luffy does something.
Score, boys.
After a certain point of time,
17 appa.
18.
కిరణ్ అన్ని ఇక్కడ పెట్టుకుంటావా మొహమ్మద్ని లోపల పెట్టుకుంటావా ఇక్కడికి బయటికి ఎక్కరా
he just came out of the house, right? This is starting, and then I started batting, right? I feel like I was raining myself out.
That's it. Call.
Drop. Kaushik or someone?
Sajid is coming.
Score. Do you know scoring?
No.
Adi.
You like to watch?
No ball, free hit.
Girl tries to help him out to get back. Anime is the best. You should watch Black Mirror.
Yeah. Correct.
They have a break now.
Muhammad.
Yeah, I started watching Boruto, but it was not
గుడ్లేదు బయటికి
interesting. So I stopped. Like now I might start watching it again. The main characters are getting involved in the fights. The plot is developing.
బ్యాకప్
Sarat అది లెక్కిల్ల.
మామూలు రెగ్యులర్ పెట్టుకో కొత్తోడు కావక్కర్లే
Orochimaru,
బ్యాట్ టచ్ అవ్వకూడదు లేదంటే కాలు మీద వేస్తే ఇంకా ఎలిబిడబ్ల్యూ అయిపోతాడు
so now Boruto is more about, it's not about fighting ninja or
Right, don't chase.
till now he was not involved in anything. Now recently 4 or 6 episodes before, like he started getting involved in the action thing. Yeah, he's very chill out. Easy. Villain tries to like hurt Boruto and the kid. Like Naruto's ice beam is so great, fucking don't mess around with it. Honestly, he'll kill the kid.
Niranjan, you know scoring?
It's more scientific tools and all those things.
Hey, you have to watch this.
మామూలు చేసాయి
Evans is there. Philip bro. Oh, wait, Sajid. Correct.
బ్రో ఓపెనింగ్ వెళ్ళిపో
Shot.
కరణ్ బల్లు బనాలి
Bowling boy.
Catch it!
Good batting, Sajid. No. Saran takes it. Varu, Mata.
Away!
Good try. Nice, Saran. Score. 100, huh?
Clear.
Ball, it's okay.
பார்த்து நிதானமா ஆடு.
అట్లా ఓపెనింగ్ వెళ్తావా
Come on, boys, let's start. We have to complete the game. Good batting. Huh?
గుడ్ బ్యాటింగ్ బాయ్ టార్గెట్ 100 ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ 110
Great one, man. What a batting.
కర్ణ ఓపెనింగ్ వెళ్తావా